What's up, everybody? Welcome to Slow-Mo Laboratory.
And today we're gonna need some top safety because we're gonna do a very dangerous experiment with a lighter, Zippo lighter.
Not really.
We're gonna film it in slow motion and see what comes out of it.
Of course, that's Slow-Mo Lab. What FPS are we gonna film?
We're gonna film it in 10,000 and 15,000 FPS.
And let's see what's gonna look like. Vasечка.
Come back again. Well, I'm glad we used a lot of safety. It sure was beautiful. What did you think?
I think so too. Let us know in comments below what do you want to see in slow motion, and if it's pretty awesome, we'll try it out.
Absolutely, would love to do it, and as always subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Peace out.